Welcome to the most interesting phase of our display campaigns. Just look at these ads. Can we really design such type of beautiful ads? Don't worry, it's a matter of minutes and the ads will be there. So let us start. Before you design the ads, first let us set our bid amount. There is no hard and fast rule of setting the bid amount. You can set it on trial basis and you can modify it later on based on the performance of your ads by observing it for 2 to 3 days. While setting the bid, keep in mind the estimates proposed by the Google as well. Now this is the most important part of display campaign where we will actually design the ads for this group. If you want, you can create the ad later, but we will continue to design our ads here only. Simply select the responsive ads. Responsive ad means that ads will be customized automatically according to the screen of the device and for the platform on which it is going to be displayed. I will show you in a while. First, we have the final URL. It has the same meaning that we discussed in the search campaign. In simple words, this is the URL of your landing page or any other page of your website where you want a prospect or a user will land once he clicks on the ad. I am giving the URL of my website. Next, we have the image and logo. Here, we have to make an ad attractive and encouraging by adding the images to it. It is mandatory to add one landscape image and one square image. It will be cropped automatically in the Google Ads. Just click on plus sign. Again here, we have multiple sources from where we can add an image to the ad. The first source is your website. Google has automatically scanned various images of your website and you can select any image or image from these images. Secondly, if you want to upload any new image, just upload the image here by drag and drop or going to a specific file. Another very good source of adding the images is stock images. Actually, by searching any keyword, it will show you the free images available on Shutterstock website and you are free to use these images without any payment. Select the relevant image from here and select Use as Image. In this case, we have to select at least one landscape and one square image. If you want to slightly crop the image, you can do that as well. Click Continue and save it. Yes, image is added. Adding a video is optional. You can explore this option further. Here we have to insert the headline up to 30 characters. You can insert up to 5 headlines. But the point to remember here is only one headline will be visible in one ad at a time. Let me add few more headlines here. Next, we have long headline. Give more details of your product or offer. You can use up to 5 long headlines. However, the rule is same as it was in short headline. Lastly, give the name of your website or business. Let us look at the strength of our ad and preview of it. Here are the filled green circles. That is an indication of your ad strength. More filled circle means more strength. You can check it for images, headlines and for description. You can also explore various suggestions as well. Now, let us preview it. First, how our ad will look in website and apps. You can see the various formats of ads like image ad, text ad and the native ads. Now let us see how will it look in the desktop versions. Here we have various forms. You need not to worry here. Google will automatically convert your ad depending upon the platform on which it is going to be shown. Under Google Properties, you can see how your ad will look in the YouTube and in Gmail. This is on YouTube and this is on Gmail. Amazing. Once you are satisfied, click Add to the group. But it says one error. Google has problem in the brand names that we have used here. I have to change it because it's not my brand. It's saved now. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Just review it and submit to the Google for review purpose by clicking Continue to the campaign. So finally we have designed our display campaign. So just explore few more features of display campaign and design few more dummy campaigns to boost up your confidence. Thank you so much.